Actually, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
I like to sleep
Oh,
at night.
I apologize.
You know how long this is going to go on?
I'm almost done, sir. Almost.
Almost meaning like a week or a month or
A week.
A week?
Yeah, well, tomorrow I'm going to finish the pipe, and then there won't be no activity here, and then I'll be coming back putting the concrete and stuff.
Concrete what, like drainage?
No, sir, pouring the road back.
Oh.
But we'll be putting pipe one more day tomorrow. Hopefully I can finish that tomorrow, and then there won't be no activity out here until...
Why are they doing this at night?
We're not allowed to work during the day because of all the traffic.
Well, there's still one lane that's allowed to go by.
I agree with you, sir. I would love to work during the day, but the city won't let us. They won't allow. Well, actually, Hedwig Village, or not Hedwig. What's this over here? Not Hedwig Village.
Afton Oaks? Royden Oaks?
I'm sorry, I can't remember the village over there where the Susie Bar and everything is.
Oh, Highland Village.
Yeah, Highland Village. They won't allow us to work.
They're not a political subdivision, they're just a shopping center.
Right. The city won't allow us to work during the day either.
Do you have a permit for violating the city noise ordinance?
I have a permit for excavating as far as city noise goes.
Okay.
Not that I know of.
Is there any way you can turn off that backup beeper?
I wish I could, but if someone gets hit because they don't hear it.
Is this a water main?
Yes, sir.
Does this have to do with the project for this Saint Street?
No, totally different project.
Okay. I couldn't find it on the city website.
I'm not sure. You talking about that one over here?
It would be to my back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure who's doing that.
So Highland Village put the pressure on the city for this?
I can't tell you that I'd be lying to you, but I believe that's what it is.
Okay.
I mean, I don't want to lie to you, but I believe it is. Or River Oaks, I guess. River Oaks is over here too, isn't it?
Yeah, River Oaks, Royden Oaks.
You live in this neighborhood over here?
Yeah, I live right by that little office building there. So another week of the excavating?
Tomorrow, if I can finish the pipe, then I'll be out of your hair until I come back and start putting these patches back. Pouring the roadway back. Hopefully next week I'll come in here and pour all the roadways back. And then I shouldn't be out here anymore.
Okay.